राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट, सलामी सच। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Raise your right hand for pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians are my. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be. I shall always try to be worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect. And all elders respect. And treat everyone. And treat everyone with courtesy. With courtesy. To my country. To my country. And my people. And my people. I pledge my devotion. I pledge my devotion. In their well-being. In their well-being. And prosperity. And prosperities. Alone lies my happiness. Alone lies my happiness. Position of preamble. We, the people of India, solemnly resolve, to constitute India, into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure, to all its citizens, justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thoughts, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status, and of opportunity, and to promote, among them all, fraternity, assuring the dignity, of the individual, and the unity, and integrity, of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby, adopt, enact, and give to ourselves, this Constitution. Jai Hind.
Now it's time for the fast march past.
Our school captain, Master Smith Devhate, leading all the troops, is holding orange color flag. That symbolizes optimism, confidence, and enthusiasm.
Next, Ms. Mahek Shukla, leading guide troop, is holding violet color flag that symbolizes nobility, power, wisdom, and ambition.
Our school's vice captain of course, Ms. Kanishka Rathod, is holding white color flag that symbolizes purity, innocence, truth, and peace, and leading Scouts troop.
Our school's vice captain of boys, Master Yadiraj Kade, is holding green color flag that symbolizes peace, request all the dignitaries to please take their own seats and students please sit down.
मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जिसके होठों पे गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है।
वो भारत जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम और कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ बंग है।
मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जो ठुकराए हुए लोगों की शरणों स्थली बन जाता है
और 7 समुद्रों पार लोगों को भी सिस्टर्स और ब्रदर्स कहता है।
मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जिसने विश्व को हितोपदेश और कर्म योग सिखाया, लेकिन खुद कभी अपना पराया नहीं समझ पाया।
मेरा भारत वो नीलकंठ है जिसने खुद विष पीकर पूरे विश्व को अमृत पिलाया।
वतन से काम रखना अब यही हमारा मुकाम है।
दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है।
सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका जब तक तेरे दिल में जान है, जब तक तेरे दिल में जान है। Hello and a very super patriotic and sparkling morning to honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected principal ma'am, teachers, all parents and well-wishers, and all my dear friends.
I am Miss Swara Gullane
And myself, Master Suryansh Tiwari from Standard 8.
We both wish
A very, very happy 76th Independence Day to one and all present here. As you all know, that we have gathered here to celebrate this huge national event, and that is our 76th Independence Day of India.
This day is the most auspicious day in our nation's history, as it won back its freedom after many years of relentless struggle by our great freedom fighters.
So here to give you more information on Independence Day, our friend Ms. Janvi Balani is going to present a speech.
Freedom means the opportunity to be what we never thought we would be. To be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that enhances and respects the freedom of others. Hello, and a very pleasant and patriotic morning to one and all present over here. Honorable dignitaries on the dais, respected principal ma'am, and all my beloved teachers and my dear friends. Myself Janvi Balani from class 8th Ravi. And today, I'm very happy to have this opportunity and privilege to express my thoughts on this auspicious day, that is 76th Independence Day. So, let me be the first person to wish you a very happy and special 76th Independence Day. We Indians celebrate our national festival by hosting our tricolor high in the sky, singing our national anthem, and enjoying our cultural programs. Do you know, friends, what is the significance of this day? Yes, 15 August, the day that every Indian must cherish, as we got the most valuable thing that every person desires in their life. That is freedom. It is a day to pay a tribute and salute to a number of known and unknown freedom fighters and revolutionaries who sacrificed their lives to set our country free from the clutches of British rule. And it is the day to think how far we have come. Our country has had a glorious past in the last 76 years of independence, and we are constantly moving towards growth, development and progress in every field like education, sports, finance, health, technology and many more. And it is possible only because of the contribution of people with their extraordinary minds, creativity, skills and vigorous efforts. In the present time, our India is 5th largest and strongest economic country with significant economic growth. And this growth was remained stable even in the worst chapter of pandemic. The successful launching of Chandrayaan-3 is a giant leap in the field of space science by scientists and researchers, which has put us into the top list of the countries. And the new opportunities adopted by India like Make in India, Khelo India, Atmanirbhar Bharat are the gateways of new opportunities for youth to build a better future. Friends, my speech will be incomplete without mentioning our brave soldiers, the military soldiers of 3 armed forces who safeguard our boundaries day and night with responsibility and loyalty. They not only shoulder the responsibility of protecting our boundaries, but also the citizens, which make our hearts brimming with pride and gratitude. We Indians should feel proud to be born in this miraculous land with rich cultural heritage, diversity with respect to regions, religions, as well as harmony amongst the people. So, let's pledge to contribute our skills and knowledge to uplift every citizen, especially those less privileged. Today, on this Independence Day, let us not only remember the history, but let's shape it. As we raise our tricolor high in the sky, let's raise our aspirations high for India.
and to continuously drive progress and inspire the world. गूंज रहा है भारत में भारत का नगाड़ा, चमक रहा है आसमान में देश का सितारा। आज़ादी के दिन आओ करें मिलकर दुआ कि बुलंदी पर लहराता रहे सदा तिरंगा हमारा, तिरंगा हमारा। With these lines, I would like to put an end to my words. जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thanks, Janvi, for presenting such a magnificent and outstanding speech. You made us understand the importance of this day in simple but stunning words.
So now let's proceed with the celebration.
Suryansh, do you know Sanskrit is one of the most ancient language of the world?
Yes, and Sanskrit is also known as mother of all languages.
And our school emphasizes and preaches this language. Also, the bright students of our school not only studies this language, but also can communicate in this language.
And now to present a speech in Sanskrit language, I invite Master Smith Devhate from Standard 10th.
गायन्ति देवाः किल गीतकानि धन्यास्तुते भारत भूमि भागे स्वर्गापवर्गा स्पदमार्गभूते भवन्ति भूयः पुरुषाः सुरत्वात् परम पवित्र तिरंगा प्रातः स्मरणीयम अखंड भारत राष्ट्रम परम वंदनीय भारत माता मंचे विराजमानः परमादरणीयः सर्वे मान्यवराः अस्माकं प्राचार्य महोदय तथा पूजनीय शिक्षकाः तथैव मम मित्राणि सर्वे छात्राः सर्वेभ्यः नमस्कारः वंदे मातरम्। सर्वेभ्यः स्वतंत्रता दिवसस्य शुभाशयाः। अद्य वयं स्वतन्त्राः स्म। एतत् स्वातन्त्र्यं क्रान्तिवीराणां बलिदानस्य फलमस्ति, तेषाम् आहुतेः परिणामः अस्ति। तर्हि तान् सर्वान् वीरान् अस्माकं प्राथम्येन अभिवादनम् अस्ति। एतत् स्वातन्त्र्यम् अस्माकं प्रियम् अस्ति, अस्माकं भारतराष्ट्रम् अस्मभ्यं प्रियम् अस्ति। तर्हि एकवारं उच्चैः जयघोषं कृत्वा प्रदर्शयन्तु भारत माता की। पुनश्च एकवारं भारत माता की। एषः जयघोषः प्रदर्शयति यत् अस्माकं रोमसु अस्माकं धमनीषु अस्माकं रक्ते राष्ट्रप्रेम वर्तते। तेन एव कारणेन यदा क्रिकेट मैच अस्ति एवं भारतः यदि सहभागी अस्ति तदा मार्गे सन्नाटा भवति, सर्वेषां दृष्टि मैच उपरि वर्तते एवं हृदये भारत विजयस्य प्रबल इच्छा वर्तते। क्रीडापटवः यदा ओलंपिक क्रीडायां विजेतारः भवन्ति एवं सुवर्णपदकं प्राप्नुवन्ति तदा महान् आनन्दः जायमानः भवति। किन्तु तद् अपेक्षया अस्माकं राष्ट्रगीतं तस्मिन् समये गुञ्जायमानः भवति तदा प्रत्येक भारतीयानां हृदय रोमहर्षेण गर्वेण प्रफुल्लिताः भवति। एषः प्रभावः राष्ट्रगीतस्य, एषः प्रभावः राष्ट्रध्वजस्य। न तु क्रीडाक्षेत्रे अपि तु विविधेषु क्षेत्रेषु वयं भारतीयाः अग्रगण्याः। अर्थव्यवस्थायां सर्वविश्वे भारतदेशः पञ्चमे स्थाने, औषधिनिर्माणे अग्रगण्यः। आधुनिकतम सुपर कंप्यूटरं प्रदाता भारतः। मंगलयाने प्रथमः प्रयत्नः भारतस्य। शान्ति प्रस्थापितुं परमाणुः परीक्षणं भारतस्य। चंद्रयान 3 प्रक्षेपणं भारतस्य। वयम् उद्यमशीला प्रज्ञावन्तः स्वपराक्रमेण पदानि सम्पादयामः, न तु आक्रमेण। अस्य उदाहरणं ब्रिटेन देशस्य प्रधानमन्त्री ऋषि सुनकः महोदयस्य। अतः वदामि अस्माकं रक्तेषु धमनीषु राष्ट्रप्रेम वर्तते। तद् अभिव्यक्तुं गीतस्य पंक्तयः मम मित्रं तन्मय जौड़कर गातुम् इच्छति एवं सर्वान् आह्वाहनं करोति।
सर दे कर भी सहरा आखिर भारत के सर होगा, इस धरती का बच्चा बच्चा वीर पराक्रमी होगा। आज करोड़ों हिंद वासियों का यही अरमां है, नेक वीर हर बाल यहाँ का पूरा हिंदुस्तान परोसता है। शांति युग का अपना तिरंगा, शांति युग का अपना तिरंगा, दुनिया पर लहरा दो, दुनिया पर लहरा दो, दुनिया पर लहरा दो। भारत माता की,
छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की, झांसी की रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की, महाराणा प्रताप की, नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस की, स्वातंत्र्य वीर सावरकर की, महात्मा गांधी की। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। जय हिंद।
Thank you for presenting such a wonderful and outstanding speech, and that too in Sanskrit. Drill is the performance which shows discipline, coordination, teamwork, partnership, and significantly represents unity and strength.
So now, to fulfill our today's program with amusement and joy, I welcome the shining stars of Standard 6th and 7th to exhibit a spectacular representation in front of us.
पूरी नजर
soul. By performing or watching dance, we feel happy and refreshing.
We can't even imagine a celebration without dance performance.
And after all, it's a national festival. So here to execute a dance performance on the most energetic and super patriotic song, that is Vande Mataram, here I call some students from class 7, 8 and 10.
हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान, हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान मेरी जान मेरी शान है। हिंदुस्तान, हिंदुस्तान हम करते हैं ये वादा माँ, तेरी आँखों में का सोना आने देंगे, दे देंगे जान। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे केसरी आसमां और धरती ये हरी, चक्र तेरा कह रहा हमसे नहीं रुकना कभी। मुश्किल हो चाहे कितनी बड़ी पर हार न मानेंगे हम, सपनों की तेरी ऊंची उड़ाने होने न देंगे कम। हम करते हैं ये वादा माँ, तेरी आँखों में का सोना आने देंगे, दे देंगे जान। सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शीतलाम शस्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे मातरम, वंदे
Mesmerizing performance it was, so dynamic and admirable.
मरते दम तक करेंगे
हम अपने देश की सेवा,
यूं ही परचम ऊंचा रहेगा।
ऐसा ही चलेगा कारवा।
Music is an expression of feeling. It brings good vibes to the listeners. Music allows us to feel the emotion that we experience in our lives. And today, the complete aura is filled with the emotions of patriotism and pride.
And the best thing is that we have some musicians and artists from us to standard 9 and 10.
Oh wow, that's great. So for making the atmosphere more patriotic and pleasant, I would like to call the musical choir of our school to perform a presentation.
अपना है दिन ये आज का, दुनिया से जाके बोल दो, बोल दो। ऐसे जागो रे साथियों, दुनिया की आंखें खोल दो। लहरा दो 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 सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो लहरा दो सरकशी का परचम लहरा दो गर्दिश में फिर अपनी सरजमीं का परचम लहरा दो।
Awesome! What a patriotic and fantastic performance it was. In few moments, it filled our heart with the revolutionary spirit and pride for our nation.
Really, today's program was splendid and had a lot of teamwork and persistence.
So let us never forget the efforts of our today's representatives and give a big hand to all of them.
As you all know, that 14th August is observed as Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. In order to observe this day, a 5-day exhibition on the story of India's partition is being organized by Indian Council of History and Research.
This exhibition is a comprehensive display of suffering, sacrifices, struggles and pain of our people who lost their life due to partition of the nation and were displaced from their roots.
Yesterday in our school, this 5-day exhibition was inaugurated. So yesterday who were unable to witness this exhibition can witness it today.
So I request all of you to witness this exhibition today.
Now it's time to sprinkle sweetness into the surroundings of everyone around us.
So for this, now may I request dignitaries and teachers to distribute sweets amongst us.
I hope this little treat will bring smile on your faces.
दिन ये आया दिल में छाया,
बनके ये 15 अगस्त
हिंदुस्तान के वीरों ने लाया,
देके बलिदान ये 15 अगस्त
देश को आजादी दिलाई,
इन हिंदुस्तान के वीरों ने
धरती पे अपना खून बहाया,
हिंदुस्तान के शहीद वीर जवानों ने
हमको है नाज खुद पर,
रहते हैं हम हिंदुस्तान में,
सदा ऋणी रहेंगे हम
हिंदुस्तान के वीर जवानों के। I thank everyone for lending your ears to us and attending the program. And once again, happy 76th Independence Day to one and all present here.
And now, with the permission of respected Principal Ma'am, I declare that the program is over.
Thank you.
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ मैं याद रहे तू,
वतन मेरे वतन,
वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है, पहचान तुझी से